In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow templates efficiently and effectively. Whether you're creating a website from scratch or enhancing an existing one, Webflow templates can significantly simplify the process. Let's dive in. To begin, open your browser and search for Webflow on Google. Click the link to either log in to your existing account or sign up for a new one if you don't have an account already. Just follow the prompts to get started. Webflow makes this step pretty straightforward, ensuring that you can access your account quickly and begin working on your projects. Now that you're logged in, head over to Webflow's template marketplace. This is where you'll find a vast array of templates ranging from business to personal portfolios. Start by exploring the variety of options available to you. If you're looking to keep costs down, you'll want to pay close attention to the free category. You can either browse casually through the templates or use the filter options to quickly narrow your choices to only the free ones. Once you have a list of free templates, take some time to review them and select the one that best suits your needs. You'll likely consider factors such as design layout, functionality, and how well it aligns with your vision for the site. Remember, this step is crucial, as it's much easier to start with a template that closely matches your desired end product. After picking the perfect template, click on the Use for Free button. This action will automatically open the template in the Webflow designer. At this point, you'll be presented with the option to either create a new site using this template or incorporate it into an existing Webflow site. Consider what your project requires and choose accordingly. Now, with the template open in the designer, it's time to get creative and customize it to fit your specific needs. This could involve adjusting the color palette to match your brand, changing text content, adding or removing sections, and inserting your own images. Webflow's designer is user-friendly and powerful, allowing you to make these changes with precision. Finally, once you're satisfied with your edits and confident that the site aligns perfectly with your vision, it's time to publish. Simply click the Publish button, and your site will go live. Enjoy seeing your customized design in action on the web. And there you have it. Using Webflow templates doesn't have to be complicated, and with these steps, you can leverage them to speed up your web design process while maintaining a high level of customization and creativity.